Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import contacts to MailChimp. First of all, open MailChimp. Click on the audience. Tap to add your contacts. Here you have options on how you would like to add contacts. You can choose any way to add a contact. Like upload a file, then click to continue. From here, tap on Browse. Select a picture, click to open. Then tap on Continue to organize. Select the status as subscribed. Check the Update Any Existing Contacts box. Then click on Continue to Tag. From Search or Create Tags, enter your keywords like blog, customer, then click to create. After that, click on Continue to Match. Match column labels to contact information. Click to finalize import. Then click to complete import from review and complete your import. Now your contacts are importing. Click to visit Audience Dashboard. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.